You might be interested to know that your steering system may actually help increase your car's efficiency, and that could save you money at the pump. In fact, it can also enhance steering control when you're driving on gravel or twisting roads, or when you're going slower, or doing something like parallel parking. Because your electric power assisted steering, or EPAS, uses an electric motor instead of a hydraulic pump, steering control can be programmed, allowing for technology such as pull drift compensation and active nibble control. Pull drift constantly adjusts to things on the road that can cause your car to pull to the left or right. And active nibble control, funny name, right, can help reduce tire vibrations. And because the system is continually learning, EPAS can adapt and compensate for conditions that cause the vehicle to be pulled to the left or right. And because EPAS is an automatic system, you don't have to do anything. Your steering will adjust as needed. Any questions? Go to FordOwner.com.